people looking to buy something, or are people looking to find information, right? So is it informational or is it commercial? That's what you get inside the intent section. And then you get an unlimited number of SEO keywords you can generate using this AI Studio tool. Again, it's a free tool. It's inside the AI Money Lab. What else we got here? So we've got Bangkok vibes. Here, I think I created like a sort of AI-powered guide to Bangkok. And then you can just click what you're interested in and it'll find you ideas. So if you type hidden gems, for example, it's kind of like a guide to the city, but it's AI generated. So let's type in hidden gems. We'll wait for that to generate. I like the colors as well, but you can change the colors over here if you want to. And then you can see it's got some prompts. So you can, for example, we could say, right, make sure that people can add and save favorites, or improve the map integration, add a rating system, animate the card on hover, etc. And then it gives you some ideas here. And if you click on view on Google Maps, it will take you to the Google Maps listing for that particular post, right? Pretty cool. And you can see all these different ideas right here. And inside here, we can also generate IG carousels. Now, this is interesting because you can basically generate images for Instagram with AI along with the carousel information. And if you want to generate more images for your Instagram carousel, it works as well. Let me show you an example, right? So if we put, okay, the benefits of yoga, right? We'll type that in, and that's going to generate the first slide and caption for our Instagram carousel. Now, as long as you're happy with that, then you can generate more and more. Right now, in the meantime, whilst that's loading, because it will take a little while for the image to generate, you can see here how we've got the image, right? So that's literally, you can download that for your Instagram carousel. It follows the dimensions of an Instagram page as well. And then you've got a few options for the Instagram caption. So you don't even have to pick just one. Like, you've got multiple options there, and you just pick whichever you think fits your brand the best. And these are written pretty nicely. So for example, here, you've got, ever wish you had a reset button for your mind and body? Guess what? You do. And it's called yoga, right? And then that's one of the options for the caption. And then you can just copy and paste that, right? So you just copy and paste that, and you paste that onto Instagram. You can download and save that image as, and then you can add another slide. Now, if you click on add another slide, what this is going to do from here is start generating another image for your carousel, right? So if you wanted to have like 5 images inside your Instagram carousel, boom, there you go, right? And you can see it's kind of like photorealistic. It's automatically generated. I didn't have to tell it what to create. I just give it the topic, and it's like, right, here's the benefits of yoga, blah, blah, blah. Here's what else it helps with. And then you can generate another one, another one, another one, right? And you just click a button. And the cool thing about this is you can just basically automate anything you want, right? You can automate images. You can automate content. You can automate writing. You can write in the style of whatever you want automatically. And if you want to generate more, you just click a button. That's it. It couldn't be lazier and easier, right? So if you want to get access to that as well, let me click on Share App, and then you'll get the Instagram carousel generator too.